Hi Draw So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Carl Fredricksen from Pixar's Up. So let's get started. To draw this very cute senior, let's first start by drawing his nose. So I'm going to come right here and let's just draw a big oval. Curve, round off. Sides and connect at the bottom. There, one big oval. And then from there we're going to draw his glasses. So let's come say about right here in the center. I'm just going to give myself 2 points is where I'm going to start the glasses. And I'm going to go up on both sides. Then come right here, draw a line. And this is going to go up as well, right here. So we're just going to make it thicker. And let's bring this across. So nice and wide, so say about that much. Come back down, and about right here in the center of the nose, I'll stop and come right back in. So let's continue this just to thicken up our frame. Come out, and about right here, I'm going to give it a little notch, then come in and continue making it thicker. There. So we just want to give it a little notch right here on the edge. And so same thing over here. Go across. Let's see here, about right there. And once again, same thing, give a little notch, come down, and same area, go right across. And let's thicken this up. There. So we have his glasses. So then I'll just come in here and shade this all in so it's much easier to see what's going on. So Up is definitely one of my favorite Pixar movies. So I've been wanting to draw Carl here for so long, but never got a chance, and then the movie is so old now, so I never kind of did it. But then now Doug Days is back with Doug the dog that I just drew, so definitely check out that video if you love Doug. And so then I decided to finally draw Carl here. Okay, so we have his glasses in. Now to draw his eyes. I'm going to come in here and about in this area, I'm going to come across like a little soft curve or straight line. And let's bring this down. We're going to slope it down. So I'm just going to draw that. And then let's come right in this area and I'm going to draw like this oval circle for his eye right there. Then underneath that, we're just going to draw a little line right underneath to anchor it. Then let's come back right here. I'm going to give it a little highlight and shade everything else in. There. And then let's do the same thing over here before we put in all the details. So just like the other side, about right here, let's do the same thing. Go across. And about right here, we're going to slope down. And once again, go ahead and draw this ovalish circle. And then a line underneath it to anchor it. And a highlight. There. Now for some details, come about right here. Just draw another curve for some wrinkles, of course. And right underneath right here, we're going to put in a curve for his eye bags. And here as well. There. Oh, so cute, right? And I'm just going to come in here and thicken this top line up a little bit more. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come up. Since we're here, I'm going to draw his brows. So they're nice and big and bushy. So I'll start, say about right here, kind of like where his glasses are. And I'm just going to zigzag my way across. But still trying to maintain it coming straight across. And then about right here, I'll just flick it in. So same thing here. zigzag, but still going straight. And just bring it in there. And now for his mouth. So about right here where his glasses and his nose meet, I'm going to come here and draw a curve and down. Same thing here. Curve and down. So this is going to be nice and deep and thick. Very prominent line right here. So then now for his smile or pout, whatever you want, grumpy. If you want him to be grumpy, you go this way. If you want him to smile, you go the other way. But I'm going to do classic Carl and just make him grumpy. So right here, it's going to go up and bring it down. It all depends on how you want him to look. But give him the classic grumpy look, and then from there, let's draw his face. So let's come right here and to start his face on both sides. Now that we have these 2 points in, let's come down to draw this cheek area. So just slight angle out, and then we're going to round it off about right here where his mouth is. So same thing over here, round it off. And let's just go ahead and continue it down, straight across and connect. Then for the top right here, now that we have his brow in, imagine this is continuing about right here. Just go ahead and draw 2 curves on both sides. Then let's start his hair. So I'm going to come right here, give it 1 strand and come back up and just give him go up right there. And so his hair part's about right here on the side. Go around, and this side's going to come down and just put it in right there, and this side's going to go up. So just give it a little strand and come down, maybe another one, and connect. Very stylish hair, right? So then for the other side of his hair, let's come about right here and just finish it off right there. And so then now we need to draw his big senior ears. So about right here where his brow is, we're going to draw a curve, give it a little curve, dent it in and then out. And then we're going to draw his ear piece right here. So let's come in and just draw this curve. So then the other side, let's see here, other side's about right here as well. And same thing, dip it in and about right here for his other ear. Now that Carl's head is finally done, let's draw his body. So I'm going to come right in the center, and right here I'm going to draw his bow. So just a half circle, and then let's come to the sides about right here and here. So this is going to be the beginning of his jacket, and then from there then I can go ahead and draw the bow right here. Just going to tuck it in there. Then let's come back to the side. So about right here, I'm just going to imagine his shoulders, and I'm going to put them right here. So just draw 2 curves right underneath his head. And let's bring this jacket down. And his armpit area, so it'd be about right here. And here about, and everything is nice and straight down. And then from there, let's just continue this up. Just make it nice and simple. So then before we finish his jacket, let's come back up here. And in the center area about here, I'm going to go ahead and draw his belt buckle. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw this rectangle. And then the loops for his belt, so I'll come right next to it. But of course, if you're using a pencil, you don't need to, you can just draw the line across first. Then you go ahead and connect everything. For his belt. And then for some details on his shirt, go straight down. And we'll just go ahead and draw 2 buttons right here. and then his pants. So it's come down nice and low, so say about right here in the center. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve. Then from there, come down for his pants. So let's bring this down more now to about right here for his jacket. And let's go ahead and connect his jacket. So about right here, connect it with a curve. Same thing over here. Then let's go ahead and finish his pants about right here. Gonna come right here and then connect for his trousers, and then it has a cuff. So pop this out and connect again. So same thing on the other side, right here. And connect. And we'll just come in here really lightly, draw a line for some details. Very lightly. And right here, let's come back up. Sorry, I know I'm jumping all over the place. For his jacket detail, right here and here as well. And let's see, the pockets on the side. And here. Okay, then now let's come back to his shoes. So right here, we're just gonna pop out curve, bring it in, and curve up. So same thing here, pop this out. Very simple. Curve and curve to connect for his shoes. And so then now let's draw his arms. So this one's just going to be straight down. So I'm going to come out to about right there. Come in, and then there's another level, his shirt, and let's draw his hands. A big curve for a thumb, and another one for his fingers and in. And now to draw his other arm, which is holding some balloons, let's start about right here, kind of like where his belt area is, and I'm going to draw his hands. So let's come right here, and we're going to draw it kind of like in a fist. So 3 curves, about right there. Come across, and about right here, do the same thing. And connect. And just put some lines in here. And then right here, we're going to add a thumb. So just pop out this curve right here for a thumb. Then for his shoulders, we're just going to continue right there. And just add a little curve right here to connect everything. There. And then now to draw the balloons. So, let's see here. Come about right here. And I'm just going to put in a straight line, hopefully. Oops. And one more here. And tucked in. And I'll just start with this balloon first. The one right here, nice big balloon. Let's draw a big oval. And then the other one right here. And one more. I'll just tuck one more in right here. Just an indication of another one. And then another line coming in. Right there. And last but not least, I forgot. Let's add that very special pin right here. So I'll just put a little circle here. And of course, I'll put a heart in here. So they're all done. I really hope you love my version of Carl here from Pixar's Up and Doug Days, and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.